In a land of mysterious beauty, in a time of extraordinary legends, in a place of ancient secrets, the greatest hero the world has ever known is about to kick his first butt. Now, after a lifetime of training...
Hey, who's he?
I don't know.
The Chosen One has returned.
If you truly are the Chosen One, then you must bear the sacred mark.
To deliver the people from the forces of darkness. And to check out the hotties.
Be not concerned of her shyness, for it will pass. There you go.
20th Century Fox invites you to feel the fury. Taste the passion.
You are the chosen one. One day, all will be revealed to you.
I'm sorry?
And witness the utter madness. Kung Pao. Enter the fist.